Once again, my name is Nancy from Belgium TV. We have Ismaili with us tonight. Introduce yourself, Ismaili.
Hi everybody, my name is Ismaili Kamil and I just want to say hi to everybody who's watching. Hi Nancy.
Is Ismaili your real name?
Yes, that's my real name. I was born with Ismaili Kamil. My mom, I don't know what she got the name from.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years in the music industry?
In the next 5 years, I see myself going around as an entrepreneur, as a woman who do businesses and, going around, travel the world and start some business,
When you're single, did you write that or did somebody else write it?
Actually, I want to be single. It was an idea of Vladimir Marseilles, as everyone knows as Vlad Dada. He was someone that, that pushed me to the limit where he was like, I think that's a good subject to write a song about. So he was the executive producer for this song. So, and I wrote it, I went to the studio in less than 5 hours. I finished the song.
I'm pretty sure that the fans expect more from Ismaili. Do you feel that you're going to travel more in New York or you're going to stay in Boston or what is it?
Actually, last week I thought about it and I'm like, I don't know. For the last couple of weeks, I've been thinking about my career and singing. I'm gonna try to do more performances live instead of going out there. I'm probably gonna stop for a while, like taking a break and then come back stronger. But I'm thinking about it still.
Okay, so as far as your music and where people can find you, where can people find you? Where can your fans find you? Can they find you on your personal page?
I am on Facebook, I am on Instagram, I'm on Twitter, I'm on YouTube, I'm everywhere. So if you want to find me, you can find me everywhere.
Well, this is it. Ismaili is here, live, and everyone have a good night. Nancy from
Thank you
Belgium
so
TV.
much guys for watching. If you guys want to book me, don't forget, you can email me, ismailibooking@gmail.com. And if you have any business inquiries, that's the only way you can get from me. So thank you so much. Thank you for having me. At Belgium, whatever you
Hey, can I be on the show?
And we have Prince Bobby crashing us.
Hey! Hi, Ismaili. How you doing?
Hi.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
What do you think about tonight?
I don't know. Tonight was tonight. That's what I can say.
Well, there you have it, Prince Bobby and Ismaili. So everyone have a wonderful evening and thank you for tuning in. Thank you.